Morning, family. It's Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's about 6:55 in the morning. Gonna toss the bird from the same point I did last time. 2.2 miles. They actually wound up going that way. I thought it was the wrong way, but they still beat me home. I'm gonna kick them out again from this spot just to see how it goes. Ain't no hawks around. Of course, we do got power lines, but they should turn before they hit the power lines to get up to the second height. But I know my house is somewhere that way, or maybe it's that way, but the lake goes that way, so maybe that's why they went that way. But let's get them out, get them going, so I can go to work. Two groups broke off. They just got together. They did make one half loop, and this is the way they went last time, but I don't see them no more. All right, let's pack it up. Okay, family, almost at the house. Birds on top of the roof. So this is the second toss from this area. 2.2 miles, 704. We let them go at 6:55. They're right there on the roof.
Is actually necessary. And just to piggyback on the point about schools, our kids are getting ready to go back to school.
All right, fam, we're gonna try to keep it short. Got a few birds right there. I still got the trap closed. Looks like the whole home is up on the top. I had 7 of these yellow band birds that didn't fly. I had only 7, now I got 8. I guess one of them got lost when the hawk came the other day, and he's back. So it's 8 in there. Got traps. I'm gonna let traps down on that one. Get my lunch together for work, and then call them in. All right. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Do what you do.